Hey guys, today we're going to make this fancy matches holder, which is inspired by these two, which are both around $35, but we're only going to be spending $3. So if you want to see how I made that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is this little dome plant holder. This is around the DIY stuff, the crafting supplies. They also have those tiny little succulents, and it's also next to the florals if that helps you. Then you're also going to need some matches. I know these are just regular matches, but I will leave a link for long matches that I found on Amazon for around $4. And then this isn't part of the DIY, but I thought it was just beautiful. I actually had something similar to this in my Amazon cart, and it was way more than $1.25. Trust me. So this is just stunning. They also have it in rose gold if you're interested in that. Okay, so of course you want to remove any tags or labels off your dome and also open up your matches, but don't throw away your match boxes just yet. You're going to need to cut out the igniting part of it and then glue it onto the dome. Unfortunately, I lost that part of the footage where I did that. I don't know what happened, but I just used a double-sided tape and I put two pieces of the igniting little rectangles from the matchboxes. I'm sure you know what I mean. But I also did try to make the matches stand perfectly in the dome, but they're just too short for that, which is why I will be ordering the longer matches. They are pretty pricey, but I was able to find that the cheapest ones that I found are $4, and you do have to pay shipping, which is around $3. But that's just an optional $7 that you do not have to spend if your purpose is just to have matches on hand. But if you want it as more of a decorative piece, like I do, then you might benefit from getting the longer matches. They'll just look more put together and just a little more similar to the original product. And you're still spending way less than $35. And here's just a short clip of what that looks like once I was done with it. I think the double-sided tape might be the best answer. I think hot glue might be a little bumpy. Crazy glue might work, but other glues might be too wet and compromise the integrity of the igniting little piece. Okay, so here is how that turned out. I think it's a really beautiful piece of decor. I know that curved decor and furniture in general is really popular nowadays. It's very 70s inspired, it's very mid-century modern inspired, and it's really trendy right now. So I really love how this turned out. You can paint the base, by the way, however you wish. I thought that brown was perfectly fine for just what my home looks like. And yeah, like I said, I will be linking the longer matches on Amazon because I personally think it's going to look way better that way. But even if you do that, you're still spending around $10 to $11 on the whole thing. And that's including the candle, what's that called? The thing to turn it off, which you'll see in a minute. But yeah, still way cheaper than the $35 one, and I think just as beautiful. And also, here's how the candle, what is that called? The thing to turn it off. Here's how that works. It was only $1.25. It is just as beautiful as the one I saw on Amazon, and it works just as well. So that's going to be it for this week's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.